Today's topic is least common multiple LCM. This is also you have studied in schools. The definition of LCM is least common multiple of two positive integers a and b denoted by square bracket ab is the positive integer m satisfying the following conditions: a divides m and b divides m. If a divides c and b divides c, then with c greater than 0, then m less than or equal to c. M should be the least number. Not if let a and b be two positive integers, the following canonical form: a equal to p1 raised to a1, p2 raised to a2, etc. pn raised to an, and b equal to p1 raised to b1, p2 raised to b2, etc. pn raised to bn, where ai, bj greater than or equal to 0. Then ab, GCD of ab is equal to p1 raised to max of a1 b1, p2 raised to max of a2 b2, etc. pn raised to max of an bn. So we have one theorem related to GCD and LCM. This is also you have learned. For any two positive integers a and b, LCM of ab is equal to ab, the product of numbers, divided by GCD of ab. So for the proof, this you have learnt in schools or you have somewhere seen. The product of two numbers is the LCD into GCD of that two numbers. So for the proof, we can express the two numbers in canonical decomposition form. So a is equal to p1 raised to a1, p2 raised to a2, etc. pn raised to an, and b is equal to p1 raised to p1, p2 raised to b2, etc. pn raised to an, where ai, bj greater than or equal to 0. In the above decomposition, we assume that both decomposition contains exactly the same prime integer base pi. This is possible by taking, if pi is not a factor of a, then take a equal to 0. And if pi is not a factor of b, bi equal to 0. Then LCM of GCD of ab is equal to p1 raised to minimum of a1 b1, p2 raised to minimum of a2 b2, etc. pn of minimum of an bn, and LCM of ab equal to p1 raised to max of a1 b1, p2 raised to max of a2 b2, etc. pn raised to max of an bn. Consider the product GCD of ab into LCM of ab, which is equal to p1 raised to minimum of a1 b1, p2 raised to minimum of a2 b2, etc. pn raised to minimum of an bn into p1 raised to max of a1 b1, p2 raised to max of a2 b2, etc. pn raised to max of an bn, which is equal to p1 raised to minimum of a1 b1 plus max of a1 b1. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So p1 raised to minimum of a1 b1 plus max of a1 b1 into p2 raised to minimum of a2 b2 plus max of a2 b2, etc. pn raised to minimum of an bn plus max of an bn. This is bn, which is equal to, we know that minimum of ab plus max of ab is equal to a plus b, that we have already learnt, which is equal to p1 raised to a1 plus b1, p2 raised to a2 plus b2, etc. pn raised to an plus bn, which is equal to p1 raised to a1, p2 raised to a2, etc. pn raised to an into p1 raised to b1, p2 raised to b2, etc. pn raised to bn, which is equal to ab. That is, LCM of ab is equal to product of a and b divided by GCD of ab. Now we can note that regression can be used to find the LCM of three or more numbers. So a1, a2, etc. an is equal to a1, a2 GCD LCM of a1, a2, etc. an minus 1 an. So first club the first n minus 1 numbers. Now we have some problems. First problem is find the LCM of 1050, 2574 using canonical decomposition. So 1050 we can write it as a product of this is some 10, 105 into 10, which is equal to 105 is 3 into 35. 3 into 35 into 10. 35 is 3 into 35 is 5 into 7, 2 into 5. So we could write this as 2 into 3 into 5 square into 7. Now 2574. Which is equal to this is sum 2. This we could divide in this form. 2574 by 2. 1, 2, 17, 8, 14, 7. So this is again we can divide by 3. So this is 4, 2, 9. Again we can divide by 3. So this is 1, 4, 3. Now we can't divide by 3, so it is 7. We can't divide by, this is cannot be divided by 7. We can divide it by 11. So this is 11 into 13. So this is equal to 2 into 3 square into 11 into 13. So LCM of 1050, this is square bracket, 2574 is equal to, this is we could write in this form, 2 into 3 into 5 square 7 into 7, comma 2 into 3 square into 11 into 13. The LCM is here max of 2 raised to max of, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Max of 1, 1 is 2. 3 raised to max of 1 and 2. 2, 5 square, 7 raised to 1, 11 raised to 1, 13 raised to 1. In numbers we have to substitute, put into sign. So the answer is 4,50,450. Next problem is using GCD of 26 and 46 compute their LCM. So for that we have to find the GCD first. For that I am using the Euclidean algorithm. 46, divide 46 by 26. The answer is 1. Remainder is 20. Divide again 26 by 20. So the answer is 1. Remainder is 6. Again divide 20 by 6. 3. It's 18. Remainder is 2. Now divide 6 by 2. So 3 into 2 6. So last non-zero remainder is 2. So GCD of 46 26 equal to last non-zero remainder is equal to 2. Now the LCM of 46 26 equal to, by the theorem we have the product 46 into 26 divided by GCD of 46 26 is equal to into 26 by 2. The answer is 1196 by 2, which is equal to 598. Next problem is using GCD of 252 and 360, find LCM. So first we have to find the GCD of 250 to 360. For that divide 360 by 252. So the answer is 1. 252. Remainder is 8, 0, 1. Again divide by 252. The answer is 2. 216, 6, 3. Now divide 108 by 36. So the answer is 3. 108. So the remainder is 0. So the last non-zero remainder is 36. So GCD of 250 to 360 is equal to 36. Therefore, LCM of 250 to 360 is equal to 252 into 360 by GCD of 252 and 360, which is equal to 252 into 360 by 36. So this is cancels 10. So the answer is 2520. Problem is using recursion evaluate GCD of 24, 28, 36, 40 and LCM of 24, 28, 36, 40. Now first we have to write the canonical decomposition of 26. 26 is equal to 24. 24 is equal to 4 into 6, which is equal to 2 square into 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 cube into 3. Now 28 is equal to 4 into 7, which is equal to 2 square into 7. 36 is equal to 4 into 9, which is equal to 2 square into 3 square. And 40 is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 2 square into 2 into 5, which is equal to 2 cube into 5. Now first we have to find the GCD of these four numbers. So 24, 28, 36, 40 is equal to, which is equal to 24, 28, 36, 40, which is equal to 24, 28, 36, this one bracket again 40. So GCD of 24 and 28, which is equal to 24 is 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 into 3, comma 28 is 2 square into 7, comma 36, 40. So the GCD is common term, minimum of 2 cube and 2 square is 2 square. Minimum 3 raised to ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് we can't take. So 36 is, now this is 2 raised square. Now 36 we could write 2 square into 3 square, comma 2 cube into 5. So now we have to do this part. The GCD of 2 square into 2 square 3 square is 2 square, comma 2 cube 5, which is equal to again the minimum of 2 square and 2 cube 5. 2 cube is 2 square, which is equal to 4. Now the LCM of 24, 28, 36 and 40, which is equal to 24 is, we could write 24, 28, 36 LCM, comma 40 by the recurrence relation. Now again 24, 28, comma 36, comma 40, which is equal to 24, 28 is 2 cube into 3, 8 3s, this is 2 square into 7, comma 36, 40, 2 cube, this is maximum of 2 cube and 2 square, 2 cube into 3 into 7, comma 36 is 2 square 3 square, 40, and maximum of 2 cube and 2 square is 2 cube into 3 square into 7. 40 is 2 cube into 5. So the answer is the maximum of 2 cube, 3 square, 5 into 7. So the answer is 8 into 9 into 5 into 7, which is equal to, the answer is 2520.